Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY. Today we are making Christmas wreaths. If you're anything like me, you love saving money, or if you just want to be on a budget when it comes to your Christmas decorations, then this video I hope will give you some tips. I've never done this before, but I hope it turns out nice, and if it doesn't, then I mean, hey, I still have a nice Christmas wreath that I barely spent money on. I went to the Dollar Tree and I purchased this wreath form. It was a Dollar Tree. I purchased the 15 feet garland from Dollar Tree. I think this is going to be enough also, we'll see. I also got the tinsel stems to secure the flowers and stuff on, or whatever I use to put on it. These are also from Dollar Tree. And I got some poinsettias. These are super cute. They have lots of different ones. I chose these because I was in a rush, you guys. Gray was in the car and I went to hurry up and get back out to the car with his dad because I didn't know if he's gonna wake up or not. But these are really nice. And then to hang the wreath when I'm done, I got this from the dollar store as well. this is where I'm going to stop it. I'm not gonna put a lot of flowers on there, but you know, I just want to show you guys pretty much how easy it is. I just love it, you guys. It's really cute. It actually turned out better than what I thought it would. Hey guys, so I am done with my wreath, and here is the ending result. I think it looks really good, you guys. I love it. And the fact that it's from the Dollar Tree, it's like, look what I made from the Dollar Tree. I saved so much money and it does not look bad at all. You guys can add as many flowers as you would like, or you don't even have to use flowers. You can use, like, because the Dollar Tree had like a lot of little drum clip things that you can clip on. They have ribbons. They have lots of things that you guys can add on and make it look really good the way that you want it to look. This is what I chose to go with, and you guys, I am impressed. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, well, that wraps up the video for today, and thank you guys for joining me.